I woke up out of bed, I brushed my teeth, and I came downstairs for breakfast. And then my mom started calling me.
Preston!
I rushed over to see what she was calling me about. Then I looked outside, and you'll never believe what I saw. A hawk. As I rushed outside, I noticed that a crow was only handling the situation. But then it decided it was too risky. I knew the birds would be okay because I was out there protecting them from the hawk. The good news was that it wasn't interested in our backyard at all. It had its eyes set on something else. I never figured out what it was. It eventually flew away, so I headed back inside. Have you subscribed yet? Now would be a great time to subscribe. Okay, now let's get back into the video. In the afternoon, I was able to go in our backyard and check out the birds. As I walked outside, I noticed that there was a ton of chickadees at the feeders. They allowed me to get some good pictures of them and a really good video. This is a chickadee eating a peanut it got from the feeder. Eventually, later this chickadee ended up hiding the rest of his peanut. Look at him going to town on that peanut. He's chowing down on that thing. Have you ever seen a chickadee before? Comment down if you have. But then, all went silent. The chickadee started alarm calling. What was going on? Me and my mom scrambled to play hawk sound to get it to go away. The chickadees hiding for dear life. Hey, would you like to see more bird story videos? If you would, comment down below and I'll continue the series. Now, please subscribe, like the video. Until next time, we'll finish the story. Peace out and goodbye.